Hello, Namaste and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena and today I will discuss about are your backup copies safe? We keep the backup copies for the purpose of if something mishappen on our system so that we can restore our backups and we can continue our work. But if some ransomware attack will delete those backup files or run some commands so that we will not be able to recover our copies. Okay, so today I will just discuss about a new kind of ransomware which is deleting the files, deleting your backups and handicapped you to not to store your backup copies. Okay, so the name of this ransomware is PXJ ransomware, because the extension of whatever the encrypted files, that's PXJ. Okay, so what it's doing is deleting the backup copies, disable the user utility to recover the any files. How it's working? First of all, in step number 1, what is doing here is a step number 1. It will just run the function that will empty sh empty recycle bin w. So whatever was in our recycle bin, it will just remove all of it and keep empty. Okay, might be you may have some files in your recycle bin so that you can recover it, so that they will just permanently delete from it. And after doing that, lot of commands run in the background which will prevent you from recovering your data, whatever the backup you are having on your systems or on your networks. They will disable you to access it or they will delete it. Okay, so this if you will see the some specific commands executed by PXJ ransomware, you can say here vssadmin.ex delete shadows all quite. So in the background it will delete all the shadows copy, and it is just saying recovery enabled no. So here recovery is not enabled, and boot status policy ignore all failures. Okay, so the sequence of commands will run which will prevent you from not to restore your files, and it will delete your backup files. Clear? And with the help of double encryption, with the advanced encryption standard and the RSA standard algorithms they use to lock or to encrypt the file what you are having on your system, and it will just show you a note and ask you for the ransom amount. Okay, and there are kind of warning from them if you will not pay within the specified time period. If you will see here, you can clearly see this ransom note. For example, saying they have encrypted all the photos, database, videos, document, what's important data with the strongest encryption. Okay, and unique key need to decrypt it. And if you want to recover those files, you need to purchase decrypt tools and the unique key. Clear? And for sample they are saying you can give us a file and we will decrypt it, but that should not be a valuable file. Clear? And if you will not contact with this 3 days, price will be double. Clear? And those kind of ransom notes you will get after the ransom attack. And if you are lucky, you have the backup on the offline, then you can recover it. Otherwise you will lose your file, and you need either if you want to recover it, you need to pay whatever the X amount asked to you, and you have to pay that money. Okay, so what is the solution for that? Solution is that keep your system updates, so that whatever the kind of attack will enter, your system is fully ready to combat from such kind of attack. Okay, and keep the copy of your important data offline, so that if any kind of attack will happen, you would be able to recover it from the offline backup. Okay, otherwise even in the network, for example, we have a segment here, and we are storing our data on our backup servers, and if the ransom attack will happen on specific machine, they will find it, or they will just find all the network, and will just come to know, yes, there is a backup server, also disable you from to recover those backup files. Okay, this is not like they will only encrypt the data on your system. Whatever on network, they will also encrypt, or they will delete. Clear? So this is the solution for that. And follow me on the Cybersecurity Prism and get the notification for the next interesting and informative session. Share that session with your friends and group members as well, so that they will just come to know about new PXJ ransomware and how that can be disable you to access your backup files, and what are the solutions to prevent those kind of attack. In the next session, I will discuss about what is a zero-day exploitation. Namaste. See you in the next session.